on the bitch trying to leave anyway, we out. Who the fuck told bitches they was me now? I know these bitches was slow, I ain't know these bitches see now. Married a shooter case, you niggas tried to breathe loud. Boom in your face.
She on a pile trippin', I know power got me buying again. Friends ain't jacking me, you must be lying to your friends. They don't want my beats, I'll wait the giants up again. Shining once again, ran it up. I pull up in the ladder, me out of Benz and a Prada, yeah. Couple brand new others, all of them full, it don't matter, no. 0 to 102, then you saw me flex on you. All up in my section, you, I step on you. Then I get a text come through, so I show you what my legs can do.
Hello, hello. Alright guys, so we just landed in Miami last night. So we have about 48 hours here.
24. Less than, like
48 hours. We have 48 hours here today and tomorrow.
Oh,
48
that's
hours in Miami. So right now we're about to as you see, we are trying to find somewhere to eat, y'all. That's what we're trying to find. So yeah. So I don't know where we're going at this point.
The Dior Cafe, and then after that,
Nikki Beach. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, so we are at Nikki Beach. We just ordered 2 burgers.
As the fucking hustler, that's what the fuck her shit is in order.
Spilled one. So we had to reorder the other 2.
Where's that dirty towel, y'all? Can I, any of them towels not in use?
Who is that?
You say
Bubba. Now that's Bubba.
nah, you ever felt that?
Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, babe. Tonight I'ma let it be fire. Tonight I'ma let you take me higher. Tonight, baby, we could get it on, yeah. We could get it on, yeah. Do you like it, boy? I want, what you want, give it to me, baby, like boom, boom, boom. What I want is what you want, nah, nah. Come here, rude boy, come here, rude boy, boy. Come here, rude boy, come here, rude boy. Come here, rude boy, come here, rude boy, boy. Come here, rude boy, come here, rude boy.
Okay, freaky mama.
Only got a nigga calling on me. But I wanna know your vibe, oh yeah. Listen to me, I put some carrots in your head. Make this stitch up, I wanna put it in the room. Wanna get a deep, I serve it like a dealer. You bring that up, I'm thinking in the middle. I'm back in your bird, it doesn't feel no really. Up in that
Yo, where you at?
You know I'm behind.
Okay, you be dodging it.
Don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just minutes, we hit the drama. Unless you come in with that kalamas. Or DJ turn the sound up, cause we about to pour the rounds up. From Jersey to Ibiza, they say it doesn't get sweeter.
out the paddock, then going as Jordan ass dead. For leak water, trying to drown a bitch. Just a habit tricking on a bitch. Shit, I'm thinking I'm cribbing a pimp. Shit, I'm cooking up dope like it's dinner. Shit, that curse gon' sit nigga trim. Shit, I'm floating, I'm out in the blimp. Shit, it look like I'm swimming in glass. Shit, I turn on my bitch cause she bad. Shit, I'm making her ex nigga mad. Shit, they going for that back up a smash. Real nigga alert up.
High volume. I'm pretty, then I'm motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she's fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Down south bad bitches, street shit so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the soul snatcher. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas.
He want the scoop, she want the tea. She want the tea. I cannot speak. We keepin' it street. We keepin' it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat. You still gon' get beat. How much it cost? It never been cheap. It never been. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up. Turn these streets can't cross it. Cross them up. All these streets need bosses. Cross them up. Turn your click up, dog. Turn them up. Turn your bitch up, dog. Turn them up. Turn these streets can't cross it. Cross them up. All these streets need bosses. When my dog get low in his pockets, I'm picking them up. We came from the bottom together, my nigga. We get it. We splitting it up. If my bitch tell me pay for that pussy, I'll take her ass shopping and tell her shut up. Standing on business, standing on bitches ain't nothing to pipe that shit up. It ain't nothing to turn a bitch up. It ain't nothing to turn your click up. Ain't nothing, shit. We turn the jeweler up, just look at the diamonds we bust. Look at the people we touch. Shit, I'm feeling like Puffy and Russ. I'm sitting this shit like a toilet, little nigga so nasty, I never been flush. Bulletproof rappers and came with a kid on it.
I look at him like, okay, I used to be
high volume.
Okay, I'm pretty, then I'm motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she's fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like, okay, I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Down south bad bitches, street shit so ratchet. Call me JT, aka the soul snatcher. I'm with a booster, a scholar, and a pole dancer. Pussy nigga call my phone, he won't get no answer. Fuck these niggas, and fuck these hoes too. You can't fuck with me, fuck what a bitch told you. Sexy black motherfucker. Yeah. Name on the wood, I'm watching Jimmy Butler. Since I came home, I've been killing every summer. Back real boss bitch, and I started as a runner. Titties and pretty, and I'm looking like a snack. 40-inch bust down, you know that bitch black. I'm pretty, then I'm motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she's fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. I'm pretty, then I'm motherfucker. Hoes me looking okay. She think that she's fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He say he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now a bitch okay. Do not disturb. Keep my rocks out.